Hey guys, Craig here again, howtopest.com. We have another great product video for you. We're going to show you all about it, how to use it, and it's Advion Fire Ant Bait. If you guys have used Advion Ant Gel Bait or Advion Cockroach Bait, Gel Bait, you guys know how well these products work. This is just another fantastic product that they have for fire ants. So let's get into it. Over here, we found ourselves a fire ant mound. This looks like an imported fire ant mound. It will kill both versions of the fire ants. It also kills big-headed ants. It kills pavement ants. What you're gonna do is if you locate a mound, you're gonna put approximately 4 tablespoons out around the mound. Now when you put this out, we already have it pre-measured. 4 tablespoons is going to give you a 1/4 cup, guys. So what you do is you go into your wife's measuring cups in the drawer and you take out her best baking cups, and then you come out here and you put a pesticide in it, and then you just put it back in the drawer and she's ready to bake again. Just kidding. Use a dedicated product for this, guys. Get yourself a 1/4 cup, which works better than measuring out 4 tablespoons. When you get this product, whether it comes in the 4-pound or the 2-pound, it comes, let me put this down real quick, it comes with a shaker bottle. As you can see, the lines on here allowing you to go around and shake it around the mound. Now when you put those 4 tablespoons around the actual mound itself, do not go directly on top of the mound. Another thing, put this out when dry. If you're going to put the sprinklers, if you have sprinklers in the area, try to get those off for at least a day or two to let that stuff settle in. It will work with the water. It works better without water. This is not one of those products that needs to be watered in. They're going to take that bait, the worker ants are going to take it, forage it back to the queen, wipe out that whole colony. It's going to start wiping out those worker ants in 12 to 48 hours with complete colony elimination within 72 hours. It works that fast, guys. This is the pour side of the shaker bottle. So you got the pour side right here with my finger. You snap that shut, you have the shaker version of it. Now, this can also be broadcast. You can broadcast this out at 1.5 pounds per acre. And you can do this or the actual treating of the mounds 4 times per year. So 4 times per year you can do this. You can do it in intervals of 12 to 15 days. So if you have something else you need to hit or it didn't wipe them out, you can come back 12 to 15 days later and retreat that mound. So let's go ahead and just show you. I've got it pre-measured in a 1/4 cup right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to shake this around the mound. When you go around the mound, go 3 to 4 feet around the mound. If I can get my microphone out of my way and go like this. On the sidewalks, it's okay. Preferably, if it is a sidewalk and it's butting up to the grass, just do the grass area. Come 3 to 4 feet around it. Let them forage for this. And you're going to come back and you're going to see that this thing is wiped out within about 3 days, guys. So do it that way and you should be good. The other thing with the Advion Fire Ant Bait, you're going to want to use this in a rotation if you're constantly treating fire ant mounds. You don't want them to build up an immunity to the bait, and that's going to be with any pesticide you use. You're going to want to rotate them ever so often. So if you constantly have to treat the fire ant baits, then go over to an extinguish or some other type of fire ant bait. Just don't use the same one over and over again. It may end up biting you in the butt. But this is Advion Fire Ant Bait. It's a great product. Once again, it comes in a 2 and a 4-pound bottle, shaker bottle, ready to go. If you're going to broadcast it, you're not going to shaker bottle this thing. You're going to put this thing into a broadcast sprayer, into a Lesco push sprayer, rotary, and you're going to treat it that way. But 1 to 5 per acre is what you're going to treat on a broadcast. And like I said, pavement ants, big-headed ants, I think even some other types of ants, read the label on that, but it won't just do the fire ant bait, so it'll give you a little broad spectrum on what it'll cover ant-wise. But this is a great product put out by Syngenta, guys. If you have any questions, reach out to us, howtopest.com. Thanks for watching the videos.